We'll now continue with the next cell organelle, which is called as the Golgi apparatus, Golgi bodies, or Golgi complex. All the three names are correct. Golgi apparatus, or Golgi bodies, or Golgi complex. Please remember all the three names. Now, this cell organelle was first discovered by a scientist called as Camillo Golgi, and the main function of this Golgi apparatus is to store, modify, and package. As you know, from the factory, whenever anything is produced and it has to go somewhere else, it has to be packaged properly, it has to be modified properly. Like soap is being manufactured in a factory, say. Soap, they will not send you soap directly, they will send you in a like proper packet. Proper modification will be done. Similarly, in the cell also, it is not very important to prepare the material, but it is also very important to store, to modify, to package it properly so that it reaches the correct place. So, Golgi apparatus does this work. You can see here, storage, modification, and packaging of products is done by the Golgi apparatus. Whatever materials are prepared inside the ER, as you know, ER, endoplasmic reticulum, prepares two substances primarily. One is protein, the other is lipids. So whatever materials are produced in the ER, endoplasmic reticulum, they are sent to different parts of the cell by the Golgi apparatus. Somebody has to take, so that somebody is the Golgi apparatus, who transports substances from the endoplasmic reticulum to the other parts of the cell. So many times from the simple sugar, complex sugars are also prepared by the Golgi apparatus other than packaging of materials. So these are the basic functions of the Golgi apparatus. Please remember, whenever you write the answer of Golgi apparatus, whatever materials are prepared in the endoplasmic reticulum, they are stored, modified, and packaged by the Golgi apparatus and sent to different parts of the cell as per requirement. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम में जो भी बनता है उनको अलग अलग जगह पहुंचाने का काम है Golgi apparatus का. So Golgi apparatus, it works as a transporter. We'll now go to the next cell organelle, which is called as the lysosome. This lysosome is a organelle which is membrane bound. बाहर में एक membrane है, cover है, and inside the lysosome you have some very powerful digestive enzymes. Inside the lysosome there are some powerful digestive enzymes which are prepared by the RER. Rough endoplasmic reticulum बनाता है digestive enzymes को, पहले से बना के रखता है, and they are stored inside the lysosome. Now basically when we talk about lysosome, it is all said by the scientists कि this is the waste disposal system of the cell. जैसे कि we know that dustbin is the waste disposal system of our home, of our offices, of our school. Similarly, for the cell, the waste disposal area is the lysosome. वहाँ पे जाके waste सब जमा होता है. So what does it do is, it cleans the cell. It cleans the cell. Whatever unwanted substances are there. There are some cells which have no longer, they no longer function properly. They have become old. Those cells, unwanted substances, all go and they collect inside the lysosome. And inside the lysosome, I've already told you that there are some powerful digestive enzymes. So digestive enzymes क्या करते हैं? जितना भी unwanted material है, जितना भी worn out cells है, unwanted cells, unwanted materials, the digestive enzymes act on those substances and they destroy those substances inside the lysosome. जितना भी अनवांटेड सब्सटेंसेस, आई रिपीट, जितना भी अनवांटेड सब्सटेंसेस है सब जाके लाइसोसोम में कलेक्ट होता है, and once they are collected they are killed or destroyed by the powerful digestive enzymes present inside the lysosome. So since the lysosome destroy their own cells, उसी सेल का एक पार्ट है लाइसोसोम, लेकिन अपने ही सेल्स को मार देता है जिनका कोई काम नहीं है. Since they kill their own cell, they destroy their own cell which are no longer required. Therefore, lysosomes are also called as the suicide bags of the cell. Suicide का मतलब आपको पता है, आत्महत्या, means those who kill themselves. So lysosomes are doing the same thing. When the cell becomes damaged, when the cells no longer work, the cells go and collect inside the lysosome. The lysosome have digestive enzymes. They destroy those unwanted cells, and they function as the suicide bags of the cell. See, a very interesting function. Cell अपना waste disposal का काम खुद ही करता है. They do their own work in disposing the waste with the help of the lysosome. ये बहुत important question है exam point of view से, because from the exam point of view, if you see a very common question that why lysosomes are called as suicide bags of the cell.